Hey lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And in today's video we are going to be reviewing the Beetles Polygel. I got this on Amazon on sale for $15.99, and I thought, why not do a baby boomer polygel tutorial? So that's what we're doing today. So of course the actual kit comes in the usual box that Beetles sends all of their products in. It comes with instructions for the nail lamp. So yes, this does come with a little nail lamp, which is great. Then it comes with a little leaflet saying thank you and why you should pick Beetles and all that stuff. And on the other side, it gives you a tutorial, like instructions on how to apply the polygel, which is good as well. I think all polygel kits have guides by this point. So they do come in two little shelves, and they come in that foam packaging with the polygels and like the top coat on top, and then the rest of everything on the bottom shelf of it. So this is everything that you get. So you do get a top and a base coat. I show you twice because I didn't think my camera was actually focused here. But yeah, there it is. And here it is again. I don't know. It also comes with a USB cable for your nail lamp, and I love that it actually has it says on the actual thing it's a 90-second timer, and the little button is on the top, which I think is great. I actually like that. And Beetles, their like products cure in between 60 to 90 seconds depending on your nail lamp. So thought it was really a nice touch that they put the time, like how long the light actually lasts, on the top. So it also comes with jewel forms in different ways, by the way. They come in like those plastic like things that used to have like toys on when you were a kid. But they do come with two types, which I thought was, again, brilliant, nice little touch. So they come with the curved jewel forms, which are the ones I'm showing now, and the straight jewel forms, which I just showed a second ago. So again, you know, that's that nice little touch. And like I said, this was only $15.99. It was actually on sale. I did put a story up on my Instagram, you should follow me by the way, saying about the sale. So hopefully those of you that are following me did get your chance to go and get a really cheap polygel kit, but I think it's gone back up to its normal price again now. So it also comes with your 100 to 180 grit files, like all files in all polygel kits I found by this point. And it also comes with a spatula javelin tool, spear tool, whatever you want to call it. It's a brush on one end and a spatula on the other. And then it comes with 6 polygels, and they are all 15 grams each. That's where I got mixed up. So they all come sealed, and by sealed I mean they come sealed. They are really, I had to use tweezers and everything to pull these off. I couldn't get the actual seal off. And I'm also showing you that the light has legs and has holes in the legs, which is great because you can just hold it and hover it above. This one's actually taller than the other mini lamps that I have. It's actually got a bit of space. So the first is a clear, which is number 1, number 2, which is white, number 3, which is natural pink, number 4, which is dark pink, but it does have a bit of a translucent sort of texture to it. Number 5, which is bean red, but I find it's more of like a pinky nude colour than a bean red. And then number 6, which is skin tone. That could be any colour really. But it is like a nice nude colour. So here are all the swatches side by side. I didn't swatch the clear because we're going to test that out in a bit. But yeah, there's a nice variety of colours. Like, I'm not mad. Like most like polygel kits, they have like a clear, a white, and then a different load of pinkish nudes. But with this, it actually has like more of like the browner, pinky sort of nudes, which I thought was a really nice touch. You know, it's got a variety of different colours. So it didn't come with a slip solution, so I am using my Goshen slip solution. I actually put more into the bowl later on, and the whole tube emptied. The lid actually popped out. I was mortified. But a lot of stuff goes wrong in this video, guys. So I am just wetting up my brush and making sure that the bristles are all soaked. And I am using full cover tips today. I did not prep my natural nails, but I will leave a video in the cards of me prepping my nail, because obviously it's crucial if you want your nails to last. So like I said, we are doing Baby Boomer, Ombre, French Fade, whatever you want to call it. So we are going to be using the number 1, 2 and 3, which is obviously clear, white and natural pink. So I've already buffed the shine away from the full cover tips. I glued these on with some nail glue, but I do use a peel off base coat. And like I said, this video, these set of nails, I was ready to just give up, but we'll go more into that in a second. So I just apply some base coat to all of the nails and I cure then for a full 60 seconds. And then we move on to the polygel. So this polygel, it started off good. Right, I was like, okay, nice little colours, it comes with a lamp, you know, it's got those like little touches of jewel forms, like it's curved and straight. So this kit is going to be like really, really great. So the white was great, it worked fine. It wasn't too sticky, but I did notice that these polygels were very, very soft. It was like, I don't know. It was like in between like a polygel texture and a builder gel. Like you can see that it's a polygel, but it was like really, it wasn't sticky, but I was cleaning my brush and using a bit of alcohol in case it did start to stick, because as you can see, it's really soft to move around and play with. But we'll discuss it a bit more in a second. So what I do with how I actually do my Baby Boomer polygel nails is I just apply the white to the tip and try and shape it as best I can, and then when you get to the nail bed area, you don't go all the way down the nail bed, you fade it, so it like you feather it. And now this white was really good for doing that because it was so soft. But once I was happy with that, I just put it into my nail lamp and cured for 60 seconds, and then we go in with that number 3. Now again, this was when I was like, oh okay, and it was a bit sticky and it was just like squidgy. I can't explain it. It was super, super soft. Like as you can see, like it was just like I wanted to follow my brush, and yeah, and you can see it's like running. Like it was just running on its own, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try and make it work. So what I done is I applied it to the nail bed and I wicked it around my cuticle, making sure to clean up anything that did touch my skin if it did, because of course you don't want to cure this onto your skin. And then once I'd finished with like the nail bed area, I started to fade up the nail, and then I sort of like, you can feather it up. You don't have to do what I did. I brought it all the way up to the top of the nail, and then I like really thinned it out and scraped it off so that like it come into like this really nice fade that you can't really see because that pink is very close to white now, which was weird. But yeah, I just pulled it all the way up then, and the thinner it got, like it got thinner the further I pulled it up the nail. I hope that makes sense. And then I just took off the excess off the tip of the nail, made sure it was all tidy then around the other areas, making sure it was all neat and blah blah blah. And then I cured for 60 seconds. So like I said, this kit started off great. I was like, yeah, I'm loving this kit. You know, it's got all these colours, and like I said, and the jewel forms and the lamp, and it was really cheap. I'm glad I bought this on sale though, because I was not happy with it. I gotta be honest. I love Beetles. I absolutely love Beetles. But their polygel, they definitely need to work on their formula. And here's where I was like, right, okay, this is going to end badly. So the clear is clear. Yeah, no problem there. But the clear is like jam. Literally, it's so sticky, and I would say that this clear is just builder gel, in my personal opinion. Like, look how sticky and stringy it is. And when I was clear capping all of the nails in the end, I just felt like it was just constantly gunking up my brush. I couldn't get it all off. So yeah, I wasn't too happy about that, but like I said, I'm glad I got it on sale. So like I said, I love Beetles, I love their nail polishes, guys, you know that. I'm also showing you from different angles before I cured. So now we're just going to do the same thing on all the nails, by the way. But yeah, I think Beetles should stick to making gel polish until they can sort out their formula for polygel. I'm sorry, I hate being negative, but I'm always truthful with you guys, and you know that, and I will never put out a bad review. You know, I'll be completely honest with my opinion and my experience. Some people might have different ones, but to me it was just, it went 100%. I'd give it a 5 out of 10 because it is workable. I do a set with it. This nail set though, not just the nails on its own, like not the polygel, sorry, not the polygel on its own, like, but this nail set just hated me. I think I was cursed. So many things started going wrong. Because I use a peel off base coat, the middle finger popped off, and then the polygel on the last two fingers, like as I was trying to work like the other one, like one nail down, the other polygel was just running. So curing between each finger if I were you, even if it's just a flash cure. By the way, I didn't use the nail lamp in this. I totally forgot because I was just so thing with trying to make the actual polygel work. I didn't think about using the lamp, but I will use it soon and let you know. But as you can see, like it was just so soft. It was like playing with, I don't know, a sticky slime cloud. I don't know. I don't want to complain, and I feel like that's all I'm doing, but other than the stickiness, like if you like soft polygel, like this kit is really great. If you like to work with really soft things, and if you like builder gel but you want to give polygel a try and a chance, I'd recommend this kit because it is very soft, and like you could work yourself up to like the firmer polygels. But that's, yeah. And it didn't come with slip solution either, so I think that would have like given it a 6. So I'd done all the white tips first, and then I went in with the pink, and I just done pink nail beds and doing the same thing where I faded it up. Sorry, I know there's a lot going on in this video and there's so long and I've talked for so much, but I just want to make sure that I cover all areas. But I am going to put some music on now, guys, and I'll be back to complain some more. No, I'll be back in a bit when things start going wrong. So I'll see you in a minute. Bye. So after the sticky mess and the clay being like jam and sticking to everything and just moving all over the place, I finally managed to get it to work, and I cured fully for 60 seconds, and then I went in with my nail file. Now this polygel, it was kind of weird because it still felt like it was hard and it was cured, but it felt soft. And it wasn't sticky. It was, I can't explain it. Maybe it was smooth. I don't know. Um, but I just went in with my hand file, the hand file that comes with the kit, and obviously because I'd capped in clear, because you want to cap in clear to like hold in your design. I then went over and started filing. I actually forgot to clear cap the middle nail because it popped off. And I had it on a nail stand to fix it because it wasn't cured yet. So as I was filing, there was a lot of stuff going on. Like I said, through this video, literally, like the polygel was like annoying me. Then my nail popped off, and I was like, okay, breathe, it's fine. Then I needed more slip solution, and the actual like cap that like keeps the slip solution in the tube, decided to pop out, and the whole of the bottle just emptied into my glass bowl. I was like, oh, for God's sake, really? Then my ring light was like kept like having a kip and like falling to the side. Then I like took in a big sigh and huffed. Here comes my nail off again, by the way. Two nails come off as I'm filing, the ring finger and the pinky finger. So that happened as well. So anyway, I huffed, and as I huffed, I blew away half of my lint-free pads down the back of my desk, so I had to get on my hands and knees to get it. Also, I glued my middle finger back on before filing, and when I grabbed my kitchen roll, I caught it on my desk and it popped back off, so I've actually glued that one back on twice. Then then I couldn't find the end for my kitchen roll, so I just had to rip it down the center just to get some kitchen roll off. Um, so yeah, guys, this whole experience, I nearly gave up, but you guys know I'm determined. I will make things work. We're also going to ignore that pinky finger because it's more like a college finger at this point. It's just so big. That was a terrible joke. So of course, to make myself feel better, because glitter makes everything feel better, I decided to do a sugar nail on the ring finger, and then applied some cuticle to give my nails a nice healthy and well-deserved drink. And then that was pretty much it, guys. So I love ombre and baby boomer nails, or French fade, whatever you want to call it. I absolutely love it, and I do like the way they turn out. But as for this kit, I'm on the fence about it. I love Beetles, like I said, and I love their polishes, but I think they need to work on their formula a bit more. But other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe. Keep on smiling, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.